Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a simple habit that can change your life as an artist. The power of one painting a day. Many people think they need to paint for long hours to improve, but sometimes one painting a day is enough. It doesn't have to be a large painting or a perfect one. It can be a quick landscape, a flower, a tree, a small boat, or even a simple color study. What matters is not the size of the painting, but the habit of creating. Imagine saving a small amount of money every day. At first, it doesn't seem like much, but after a month and years, it grows into something valuable. Painting works in the same way. One painting may not seem important, but hundreds of paintings build skill, confidence, and experience. Every painting teaches something. One day we learn about light, another day we understand color mixing, the next day we improve our brush control. Even when a painting doesn't turn out well, it teaches what to differently next time. No painting is ever wasted if we learn from it. Many artists wait for the perfect mood or the perfect idea. They say, I will paint tomorrow, but tomorrow often becomes next week or next month. Instead of waiting, simply begin. Once your brush touch the paper, ideas start to appear. Action create inspiration. Don't worry if your daily painting is not beautiful. Not every painting needs to be framed or shared on social media. Some paintings are only for practice, and those are often the ones that help us improve the most. If you paint one picture every day, imagine what happened in a year. You will complete more than 300 paintings. Think about how much you will learn from those hundreds of brushstrokes. Improvement is not the result of one great painting. It is the result of many small efforts repeated again and again. There will be busy days when you have very little time. On those days, paint something simple. A 5-minute sketch is better than doing nothing. The important thing is to keep the habit alive. Once we stop for a long time, it becomes harder to start again. Remember, every artist you admire reached that level by painting again and again. They didn't become great because of one masterpiece. They became great because they kept showing up day after day with patience and dedication. So, I encourage all of you to make a simple promise to yourself. Try to create one painting a day, or at least paint as often as you can. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. One painting may seem small today, but over time it can completely change your confidence, your skill, and your artistic journey. Always remember, great artists are not made by occasional effort. They are made by consistent practice. One painting a day may not change your life overnight, but one day you will look back and realize it changed your life completely. Thank you so much and happy painting to all of you.